Hey there, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2019 Volvo XC60 T5 Inscription in Onyx Black Metallic with a Maroon Brown leather interior. The Inscription trim level gives you all of this beautiful chrome. You get that chrome grille and the inserts on the sides right above the fog lights. But this one also has the exterior styling kit. So you get that cool extra piece, the scuff guard on the front and back bumpers. This has less than 12,000 miles on it. With the purchase of a pre-owned Volvo, you'll get 1 year's subscription to the Volvo On Call app, and you'll be able to remote start your car from that app. You'll be able to check your fuel levels, check when your service is due. This has a backup camera, integrated roof rails. T5 means that this is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with 250 horsepower. See the scuff plate on the back with the dual integrated tailpipes. I think that looks so cool. Plenty of space in the back, and the seats do fold down flat. Giant panoramic sunroof, and you'll be able to drop the seats from buttons right here in the back. The XC60 is one of the most popular cars at the dealership. They're just the perfect size. It has integrated booster seats in the back too, and if you don't need those, they pop down flat. There's a 4-way climate control, so everyone is happy. Memory seating for 2. This has the seats with the leg extension piece that comes out, and on the driver's side I have that all the way in, and on the passenger side I have that all the way extended out. This is your ignition switch here. And the way the sun is hitting right now, you get the reflection from the bezel on the side. You know, a little extra sparkle doesn't hurt. The beautiful details in the Inscription trim level. So this is your center screen, your home screen. These are the 4 main things that you use the most often. Your navigation is right here. If I click that button, we'll bring it back up to that view. Your phone, you can have your messages there, or you can put, you know, the sound experience. Since this has the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system, you can adjust that a little bit if you like. This has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so you can download whatever other apps you'd like. On the bottom here, this is your climate control. Choose where you'd like the heat to go. Your steering wheel heat and your seat heat are right there as well. Oh, and the back seats. So if you want to turn that on and adjust the temperature, there it is right there. Off to the left, some of your vehicle functions. This one has the memory seating for the passenger as well as the driver. And you can adjust the passenger seat if you drop your hand down to your seat while this is green. The passenger seat will move. So in case you have someone in the back seat that needs a little extra space, you can give it to them. Lane keeping aid, if you drop this down, get into your settings. My Car, IntelliSafe, if you'd like to just have the warning instead of the haptics on the lane keeping aid, you can always change that up for no problem. Let's put a warning on the roadside information system so you know when you're speeding. And if you get into a pickle, you don't know how something works exactly, the entire owner manual is right there at the touch of a button. Linear lime deco inlays, beautiful leather wrapped dashboard. Well, this is stock number 6303A. There's a link in the description box below for more details. We'd love to see you on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine, because we have your car and it is beautiful. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.